video and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo every time na may bago akong video. So for today's video guys, as you can see from the title, I will be showing to you 5 ways on how you're gonna wear your scarf. So I find this trendy these days and super perfect niya for summer, but I don't think na this is the right time to upload this video kasi kung maririnig nyo umuulan, pero okay lang yan. So let's get into the video. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you guys learned something in this video, and yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!